In this video, we will demonstrate how to read and write data on the Toyota Gen 3 engine control unit. First, prepare the tools. Key Master G3, high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, jumper wires, MP001 programmer, Toyota engine control unit. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Select ECU flasher. Locate passenger car engines. Select software version. Search for the ECU model in the top right corner and select it. Tap Guide and scroll down to find the connection diagram. Go back and tap Pin Out. Select Bench Mode and MP001. Verify that the module appearance matches. Tap Connector Pinout. Connect the cables according to the diagram. Tap Back. Tap Start. Select Bench Mode and MP001. Once confirmed, tap Connect. Tap Yes. The ECU is now connected. Read flash file for backup. The file name can be changed according to the situation. Tap OK. The file path will be shown on the left. The CS icon in the top right corner indicates checksum support. Write flash data. Select Load external data. Tap OK. You can locate the backup file by file name, time, size, or by using the search box. Select the correct backup file and tap OK. The device will ask if a data checksum is required. If the data hasn't been modified, simply tap No to write. When the device displays Write Successful, the process is complete. Make maintenance and repair easier with OBDSTAR. Available now at American Key Supply.